today, let's learn the difference between wants and needs. Let's start. Need is something you have to have, which means I need it to keep me alive. For example, I need water. Of course, water will help me to keep me alive. I can't live without water. For another example, I need bread. Also, bread will help me to keep me alive. But want is something you would like to have, which means I can live without it. For example, I want a doll. Of course, we can live without a doll. Another example, I want a teddy bear. So, if I don't have a teddy bear, it's okay. I can live without a teddy bear. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.